the other. One is Hong Kong Island, and one is Cam.
Gumagana na naman ang pagiging procrastinator ko. Oh my gosh. Kailangan ko talaga itong tapusin kasi it's long overdue na. So yes, this is Hong Kong Escapade Part 2. If you watch my Hong Kong Escapade Part 1, alam niyo na, mahaba talaga siya. Kaya ayun, kailangan talagang mag Part 2. Kasi pag pinilit ko pa, baka maging movie na. So today, I'm gonna tour you around the city of Hong Kong. And as you can see, we're up here. I can see the buildings from here and the views just amazing. Plus the weather is giving, you know, kind of cold. So first stop, we went to Nanlian Garden and Chile Nunnery. Grabe ang peaceful dito, parang bawal maingay. Kaya tahimik lang kami kahit gusto ko nang sanang sumigaw ng, "Hi guys, welcome to my vlog." Ang ganda ng place, every corner Instagram worthy talaga. Then may part doon na bawal mag-video or take photos. I think yun yung prayer house. I'm not really sure but I guess it is. So ayun, behave na tayo. And here are some snapshots from this place. We also drove by the Monster Building. It became famous because it was featured in Hello Love Goodbye starring Catherine and Alden Richards. And here you can really say expect unexpected. Basta, see it for yourself na lang when you visit. Still, the structure of the building is unique. Very Hong Kong vibes talaga. Of course, hindi mawawala ang souvenir stop. Sabi nila ang daming original items dito kaya ayan, nalibre din kami ng 1 pair of shoes. Thank you po. Ikot-ikot din kami para sa mga pasalubong kaya ayan, daming bitbit. When dinner time came, kumain kami sa Champak Restaurant. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Umabot na sa 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. As in, habang kapakain kami, nanginginig na rin kami sa ginaw. Buti na lang may patio heater sila, lifesaver talaga. So, when dinner was served, share ko lang, may isang menu na may orchid used as a decorative flower. Syempre, we asked if it's edible, pero yung waiter parang hindi na-guess ko anong ibig sabihin. So, ayun, one of my office mates tried to put it in her mouth. Tapos biglang sabi ng waiter, no, ang bilis talaga. Ayan, pauwi na kami sa hotel, medyo nahirapan kami maghanap ng taxi. Actually, kailangan pa namin pumunta sa taxi terminal para lang makasakay. So, kinabukasan, it's our free and easy day. Nagbasa kami papuntang Tung Chung Station papunta sa Ngung Ping. Habang nasa biyahe, na-amaze talaga ako sa road structures nila. Ang linis at ang organized tingnan. First time ko sumakay ng ganito kaya sobrang excited pero at the same time kinakabahan din. Open.
Hi vlog.
Hello vlog.
Yes po. Welcome to my guys.
Oh my god. Natimingan ko ganyan. So we're here in Ngung Ping Village, and of course the highlight in here is the Chantan Buddha or the Big Buddha. After a few hours of exploring, umalis na rin kami and of course, pauwi pa rin through the cable car. Ang ganda ng view ng dagat and based on my research, that's actually the South China Sea. Sobrang ganda, lalo na habang papalubog na yung araw. Our last stop was the Wan Chai Harbor Front. We watched the Symphony of Lights show where the city lights reflected beautifully in the water. Plus the music, sobrang relaxing and such a picture-perfect way to end the night. So, ayan guys, finally natapos din after ilang months ng pag-e-edit. But looking back, ang dami palang memories. Sometimes, it takes a while, but what matters is to finish it. One step at a time. So if you're also working on something, keep going, you'll get there too. Till my next adventure, bye!